Welcome to another episode of LocoCast. Let's learn about mailers. A mailer is a way for you to encapsulate an email sending workflow. It can be sending a user birthday message, a welcome email after registration, or a notice for an account expiry. You can group all of those cases in a single mailer and call it the user mailer. Today, we'll learn how to create a mailer and send a welcome message to a user after they registered. Let's look at the user's controller, which we have as an example here. We have a create handler and we get a registration params as JSON. Then we use create with password. So naturally, we want to send a welcome email after a user has been created. Check your development configuration. Scroll to the mailer section and notice that SMTP is enabled and the host is taken from environment. SMTP is still great to use with any email sending provider, local or cloud-based. You create a mailer by running the mailer generator. Cargo Loco generate mailer and give it a name, user mailer. This will create a mailer logic file, tie it to your app, and it will also create 3 template files that you need for subject, text formatted email, and HTML formatted email. Now let's code our user mailer. Go to Mailers, User Mailer. Replace the boilerplate parameter with an actual user. And then set up 2 field and local variables which you can use in your template. Now let's greet the user in the HTML template. And let's create a subject. Back to our controller. Let's import a new mailer and now call the send welcome workflow from our mailer after the user registration part. And we're done. Let's run the app with a built-in background worker, which takes care of email sending in the background. You can verify that you have a worker here. Send a quick registration request. The worker should be doing his job. And if we open our incoming mailbox in our local SMTP agent, we can see that the email has arrived. The best thing about Loco is the ability to have a full workflow locally, from registration to receiving an email without touching any cloud service. This is a huge speed up in your day-to-day development. Well, that's it for today. Thanks and goodbye.